Welcome Touch Portal fans. In our previous video, we showed you how to create a toggle button using the if statement and actions. This only works when you use Touch Portal to control your actions. To learn more about toggle buttons, click on the notification above. What happens when you change something in Streamlabs OBS yourself without using Touch Portal? Well, nothing at that moment. This is why we introduced events. Events are triggers that happen when states change outside of the context of the button. In our example, we want the button to change its visuals even when the scene changes to a different scene when not using Touch Portal. Let's create a button that reacts to a scene change state in Streamlabs OBS. First, add the action to change the scene to starting soon. So if you press this button, it will change the scene within Streamlabs OBS to starting soon. Go to the Events tab. Add an on-scene change event action. This event will be triggered whenever the scene in Streamlabs OBS changes to the scene we select. You do not have to press the button to trigger this event. Let's add a visual change for this event. Add an on-scene not change event. This means the opposite of the last one. Now we want to trigger all the actions below when the new scene is not the selected scene. We add a visual change for this event as well. Now, when we press the button, we see the button visuals changing. As a bonus, because Touch Portal connected the state of the scenes, it will also change its visuals if we change the scene from Streamlabs OBS itself, or with another button that changes to a different scene within Touch Portal. Subscribe, like and click on the notification bell to get notified when a new video is up. Till the next time, bye!